Hello. We are so glad that you have decided to learn about ways that you, as faith and community leaders, can help address opioid issues in Tennessee. This video will show you how you can make a big difference just by knowing some of the free legal resources that are available in Tennessee and how to use them. I- I'm Kimmy DeMent, and I'm the Pro Bono Coordinator for the Tennessee Supreme Court's Access to Justice Commission. I will be walking you through some of the ways that the judiciary in Tennessee already uses faith and community leaders as partners to help people find legal help when they need it in Tennessee, and how you can help. You will also hear from Kirsten Jacobson, who is a staff attorney for the Tennessee Alliance for Legal Services. She will show you some of the specific tools available on the Help for TN website that will help you help those in your communities. We're particularly excited to share these resources with you today because, as you know, addiction is a huge problem in Tennessee, and drug issues often co-occur with legal issues. For example, drug issues often go hand in hand with legal problems that involve custody, housing, employment, debt, and more. Thankfully, there are many free resources available in Tennessee, and you can make a big impact just by knowing how and when to refer people to those resources. The first resource that we'd like for you to know about is an initiative of the Tennessee Supreme Court Access to Justice Commission, the Tennessee Faith and Justice Alliance. You may already know that in Tennessee is one of the top 10 poorest states. In fact, in Tennessee, 1 out of every 6 Tennesseans fall at or below the poverty line. Of Tennesseans at the poverty line, Tennessee's recent legal needs assessment showed that 60% experience 1 or more civil legal issues each year, and a fifth experience 3 or more civil legal issues per year. This means approximately 1.4 million Tennesseans need civil legal help and are unable to afford it. Thankfully, in Tennessee, we have 4 LSC-funded organizations who employ 100 legal aid attorneys, and these attorneys do great work. However, 100 attorneys cannot serve all 1.4 million Tennesseans per year all by themselves. And to even get help, people need to know where to go first. Of those 1.4 million Tennesseans who encountered a legal issue and were eligible for free help, only 16% sought help from a free resource. But why? Well, think about what you do when you have an unpleasant issue you wish would just go away on its own, like car trouble, a toothache, knee pain, or a troubling cough that seems to linger. Well, if you're like me, you probably do one of 3 things. First, you do nothing. You ignore the issue and hope it just goes away on its own. Second, you look to the internet, maybe Googling a bunch of seemingly unrelated symptoms with the hopes of a magic answer. And last, you ask a trusted person for advice. For me, this is usually my dad, but can be any trusted person. For people experiencing legal issues, research suggests that up to 60% of people turn to their faith community first in a time of crisis due to that trusted relationship. These trusted persons are important for early triage because just as car trouble can get worse the longer you drive with an engine light on, a legal issue can get worse the more time passes. For example, it can be much easier to help a person with a housing issue before the eviction proceeding or foreclosure than after that eviction when a person is actively searching for new housing. In addition, if someone reaches out for help and is able to connect with effective legal help right away, they may be more empowered to address the situation than if they have to reach out again and again and do not get any answers for a long time. Enter the Tennessee Faith and Justice Alliance, a product of the Tennessee Supreme Court's Access to Justice Commission. The Tennessee Faith and Justice Alliance is a statewide initiative to meet people where they're already reaching out for help, and specifically works to connect people who are reaching out to faith and community partners with legal resources through various statewide programs. Specifically, the Tennessee Faith and Justice Alliance has 4 main projects across the state. 1. Legal trainings for faith leaders. 2. A referral model that pairs congregants in need with free lawyers across the state through a legal referral database. 3. Free civil legal clinics. These often have a specific focus, such as serving rural areas, expungement clinics, or immigration clinics. And 4. Community legal education trainings, such as small business trainings and know your rights trainings. Our partners include faith leaders of many religious traditions, houses of faith across the state, nonprofits, universities, state agencies, attorneys, social workers, interpreters, and more. We would love for you to become involved in our work and to think about ways that you can benefit from the Tennessee Faith and Justice Alliance projects in your community. The easiest way to become more involved in our work is to sign up for our monthly clinic list on our website and to reach out to us directly so that we can begin to consider what is the right faith-based legal project for you and your community. On our website, you will find a link to sign up for our newsletter, prior newsletters, and resources, including all of the forms you would need to start a legal clinic in your community, referral resource manuals for East, Middle, and West Tennessee, information about our referral model, and more. We thank you for your good work, are happy to answer any questions you have, and hope to connect with you soon.